Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gmail filters to automate support triage, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open your Gmail account. Locate and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a new filter. In the From field, enter the email addresses or domains you want to filter.
If necessary, fill in other fields like subject or has the words for more specific filters. Once you've entered the criteria, click on the Create Filter button.
In the next window, choose the actions you want Gmail to perform on the filtered emails.
Consider options such as skip the inbox, mark as read, or apply the label.
If you want to categorize the emails, select Apply the label and choose an existing label or create a new one.
Review your filter settings to ensure they meet your needs. If everything looks good, click the Create Filter button.
To edit an existing filter, find it in the list under the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Edit next to the filter you want to modify.
Make any necessary changes to the filter criteria and actions. After making your changes, click the Update Filter button. To delete a filter, click Delete next to the filter you want to remove. Confirm the deletion in the prompt that appears. Testing your new or updated filter is crucial. Send a test email that meets the filter criteria to verify it's working correctly.
If adjustments are needed, revisit the filter settings to refine them.
Regularly review your filters as your support needs may evolve over time.
This will help maintain an organized inbox for efficient support triage.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.